The Tursiops truncatus, or more commonly referred to as the bottlenose dolphin, is a warm-blooded carnivorous aquatic mammal that inhabits primarily coastal areas, although can be found in pelagic waters as well. They are known to frequent estuaries, bays, lagoons, and other shallow coastal regions, and in some instances, even venture far up inland by way of rivers. Bottlenose dolphins typically range in mass from 200 kilograms to 500 kilograms and in length from 2.3 to 4 meters. The Tursiops truncatus is often characterized by its large, widely spaced eyes, long front flippers, a tall curved dorsal fin and flukes, a rounded forehead, a short broad snout, and a mouth that appears to be permanently twisted into a grin. The diet of the Tursiops truncatus is quite broad and varies significantly from one place to another. However, it most often consists of fish, crustaceans, and squid with sizes between 5 and 30 centimeters. The type of prey consumed is also determined by the presence of a pod, as when in larger groups, diet and technique used to catch prey may change. The Tursiops truncatus is a member of the domain Eukarya and below this within the kingdom of Animalia and the phylum Chordata, of which humans and the other vertebrates encountered most often in nature are a part of. Similarly, bottlenose dolphins are included in the mammalian class, though resemblance to humans diverges here as they are classified under an entirely different order, Cetacea. The cetacean order includes a variety of whales, dolphins, and porpoises, all of which are aquatic as well. Beyond this, the Tursiops truncatus is a member of the Delphinidae family, which includes numerous species of dolphins, smaller whales, and killer whales. As has already been mentioned, the bottlenose dolphin is a member of the genus Tursiops and the species Truncatus. Over the course of the bottlenose dolphin's evolutionary history, initial variations among populations have resulted in the development of adaptations to better suit the organism's environment. 3 of these include the flipper, the fusiform body shape, and a blubber layer on the outside of the body. The development of a cetacean flipper, of which the bottlenose dolphin possesses, is a result of the transformation of a right forelimb of a terrestrial mammalian. Almost all anatomical systems of living cetaceans are highly modified for an aquatic lifestyle, with dramatic changes seen in areas such as its ear region, skin, limbs, and cranium relative to the terrestrial mammals from which they initially evolved. Further adaptations among the Tursiops truncatus species have benefited their ability to quickly propel themselves through the water at speeds up to 30 kilometers per hour. A distinct fusiform body shape with an optimum surface area to volume ratio, resulting in a sleek and streamlined outer body, reduces drag and turbulence. In addition to this, the growth of a blubber layer on the outside of the body absorbs heat by acting as a phase change material. This layer is composed of fatty acids with melting points close to that of mammalian body temperatures, thereby allowing for the storage of large amounts of energy and streamlining the body of the dolphin, adding to the fusiform body shape. Aggressive behavior among bottlenose dolphins is rarely observed, although in certain studies it has been found that overall males are typically more aggressive than females. It has also been noted that males utilize sexual coercion as a means of winning the favor of a female mate during breeding season. The presence of tooth-rake marks along the sides and outer blubber layer of males, and to some extent females as well, is often indicative of a mating struggle. However, overall size of males is not the only determinant for females, as the size of male genitalia also plays a role in determining a sexual mate. In studying this, scientists came to recognize a possible alternative reason for a previously classified vestigial structure. Through thorough study of a variety of cetacean species, scientists have discerned a plausible reason for the presence of the otherwise useless pelvic bone, representing a possibility for a connecting link to sexual selection. Since evolving from their land-dwelling ancestors, cetaceans have lost their external hind limbs and have developed a highly reduced pelvic bone, appearing to have no other function than to simply anchor the muscles that maneuver the male penis. Therefore, the findings that males from species with relatively intense sexual selection tend to evolve larger penises and pelvic bones provides evidence that sexual selection can affect internal anatomy that controls male genitalia. These important functions may explain why cetacean pelvic bones have not been lost through evolutionary time, and despite its vestigial nature, it still may play a significant role. The bottlenose dolphin is geographically located in areas of temperate and tropical waters around the world. The worldwide bottlenose dolphin population tends to inhabit areas with latitudes ranging from 45 degrees north to 45 degrees south, and with water temperatures varying between 10 and 32 degrees Celsius. It is often said that there is one species of Tursiops worldwide, separated into 3 geographical races that are distributed within 3 main areas, the first being the temperate and tropical waters of the Atlantic Ocean and adjoining seas, the second being the eastern Pacific Ocean and the Gulf of Mexico, and the third being the temperate and tropical waters of the Indian, South Pacific, and western and northern Pacific Oceans and adjoining seas.
Created using Powtoon.